Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the part 2 of how to cut fancy and simple shorts for children. Let's get started. Our full length is about 12.5 inches, as you can see there, and then for the waist measurement, that's the width measurement, you are taking 9 inches. So we're going to take out about 2 inches from the top. That 2 inches is meant for the elastic. We'll go ahead and join that line like so. And then for the waist, we are taking 7 inches. Then for the crotch, we are taking 8 inches. Then we're taking about 2 inches there for the depth, crotch depth. And then for the thigh or the bottom part, we're taking 7 inches too, because we don't want it to be too open. And then we'll go ahead to curve that for the crotch. And after that, we will start our cutting. Now we're done, we open it up and begin to join the shorts. Just like so. As you can see, you join the sides. Making sure that the front side is facing the front side. Now we're done joining. This is what we have. So go ahead and open it up and join the crotch area, just like so. And now we're done joining that part. As you can see, the next thing we're going to do is to fold the waist, where we're going to be putting our elastic, just like so. After folding, you sew it round. Now we're done. This is what we have, and then you leave that little space so you can push in your elastic through it. Our elastic for the elastic, we are taking about 17 inches. So just like that, you're pushing the elastic around the waist, and then after that, you go ahead and join the elastic together. You join it just like so. Now we're done joining. We push the elastic in so it will balance well, and then we go ahead to seal up that place. So for the bottom part, we went ahead to cut this long fabric. For the width, we had about 2 inches. And so for this, we are not going to either hem the down part or weave it. So because of that, we went on to fold the fabric into two. And then we'll go ahead to gather it. Now we're done gathering. This is what we have. We'll drag the rope to give it a good gather. And now, after that, we just go ahead to join what we have to the bottom part of the short. Just like so. You sew it round. And after sewing it round, this is what we have. A fancy short for a beautiful princess. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.